Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is spicy pongal. Take 3/4 cup of split green gram, that is moong dal, and 1 cup of raw rice. Now clean this with water. We are going to pressure cook this. Add required amount of salt and 4 cups of water. Now pressure cook this for 5 to 6 whistles. Dal rice is ready now, just set aside. Now take a mixie jar, add 2 green chilies, 4 garlic cloves and a small piece of ginger and grind this coarsely. Now pour some oil in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Fry this for few minutes. Now add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And finally a handful of curry leaves. This is properly fried. Now set aside and pour some oil in the pan again. Now add the coarsely grinded paste. This has to be properly sauteed, so saute this well till the raw smell goes off. This is fried properly now, just set aside and keep the pan again, add some ghee. To this add a handful of cashews. Now fry the cashews properly. The cashews are sauteed properly. Next is the mixing time. Now except for cashews, add the rest of the sauteed items into the dal rice and mix properly. Your ven pongal is almost ready. Next we are going to give it a finishing touch. Transfer this into a bowl. Now add the fried cashews and some more ghee. Our pongal is ready. Sambar and coconut chutney will be a perfect combination for this. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.